Hi everyone, I'm Jessie. Welcome back to Hoston. Today I will introduce the difference between electric and hydraulic grinders to you. Number 1. Working principle, advantages and disadvantages of electric grinder. An electric grinder is a machine tool that uses an electric motor to drive a grinder wheel for grinding. It has the following advantages. First, simple structure, easy to maintain. Second, high grinding accuracy, suitable for use in grinding small parts. Third, it has a wide range of applications and can process metal and non-metal materials with low hardness. However, electric grinders also have some shortcomings, such as low working efficiency, high noise, and easy generation of heat during the grinder process. Number 2. Working principle, advantages and disadvantages of hydraulic grinder. A hydraulic grinder is a machine tool that uses pressure oil to drive a grinding wire for grinding. It has the following advantages. First, high grinding efficiency, suitable for large volume or high efficiency grinding processing. Second, the waste liquid generated during the grinding process is easy to dispose. Third, the grinding quality and accuracy are stable and reliable. However, the disadvantages of hydraulic grinders cannot be ignored, such as complex equipment, long maintenance cycles, and high maintenance costs. Number 3. The difference between the two grinders. First, different working methods. Electric grinders use motors to drive grinding wires for grinding, and hydraulic grinders use pressure oil to drive grinding wires for grinding. Second, different scopes of application. Electric grinders are suitable for grinding small parts, and hydraulic grinders are suitable for large volume or high efficiency grinding. Third, different degrees of convenience. Electric grinders have a simple structure and are easy to maintain, while hydraulic grinders have complex equipment, long maintenance cycles, and high maintenance costs. To sum up, electric grinders and hydraulic grinders each have their own advantages and disadvantages, and are suitable for different occasions and needs. Which grinder to choose should be decided based on the specific actual situation.